hello, and goodbye. Tom wakes up. He smiles. Today is his first English class. He is excited. He wants to learn 2 words, hello and goodbye. Tom goes to school. He sees his friend Anna. Anna says, hello, Tom. Tom answers, hello, Anna. They wave. They smile. The teacher, Ms. Lee, says, good morning, class. The class answers, good morning. Ms. Lee writes 2 words on the board, hello, goodbye. Ms. Lee speaks slowly. She says, hello is for meeting people. She points to a picture of 2 people. One person says, hello. The other person says, hello. The class repeats, hello. Tom says, hello. He feels happy. Ms. Lee shows another picture. 2 people are leaving. One person says, goodbye. The other person says, goodbye. The class repeats, goodbye. Tom says, goodbye. He practices the sound. He says it again and again. Ms. Lee makes a game. She gives each student a card. The cards have names. Tom's card says Tom. Anna's card says Anna. The students walk in a circle. When the music stops, 2 students meet. They say, hello, my name is... The students fill the blank with their name. Tom says, hello, my name is Tom. The other student says, hello, my name is Maria. They smile. The music plays again. The students walk. The music stops. The students say, goodbye, see you. Tom says, goodbye, see you. He waves his hand. He hears the word goodbye many times. He learns the rhythm of the word. After the game, Miss Lee asks questions. She says, how do you say hello? The class answers, hello. She says, how do you say goodbye? The class answers, goodbye. Ms. Lee claps. She says, very good. Tom feels proud. At break, Tom and Anna sit under a tree. A new boy comes. He looks shy. Tom stands up. He says, hello, my name is Tom. The boy smiles. He says, hello, my name is Sam. Tom says, nice to meet you. Sam says, nice to meet you. They talk a little. Tom uses the new words. He is brave. The bell rings. It is time to go home. Tom says to Sam, goodbye, Sam. Sam says, goodbye, Tom. Tom walks home. He thinks about the day. He says the words again, hello, goodbye, hello, goodbye. At home, Tom tells his mother about class. He says, I say hello and goodbye. His mother smiles. She says, good job, Tom. Tom eats dinner. He practices the words with his mother. He says, hello, Mom. She answers, hello, Tom. He says, goodbye, Mom. She answers, goodbye, Tom. Before bed, Tom writes the words in his notebook. He draws 2 small pictures, one for hello and one for goodbye. He reads the words out loud. He sleeps with a smile. Practice. Say hello to a friend today. Say goodbye when you leave. Hi. Hello. My name is... And goodbye. See you. Small steps. Big progress. Say hello and goodbye every day.